Hey guys!
Welcome back to Landon TV Show.
Yeah, cool, awesome. Welcome back. Today we have an awesome science project that we're doing today. So this summer, 2022, Artemis 1 is going to be going to outer space, guys. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make a spacecraft like Artemis 1, and it's going to be amazing. We're going to see that bad boy launch. Sounds good? Yeah, it's going to be so much fun.
So cool.
Yeah, boy. And I want you guys...
like this.
Oh, yeah, it's going to... And I want you guys to try this science experiment at home too. So it's gonna be really fun. You guys ready to do it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for it. So these are the supplies that you're gonna need for this project. You're going to need foam board, a bottle, and this is what's gonna explode into the sky. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna go like this.
Yeah. Then you're going to need a ruler, and that's gonna be to measure the foam board, tape, cork, a cutting blade, safety goggles, a nail, scissors.
Hammer.
Yeah, we're using a hammer, as Aiden said, a hammer. And we're gonna use
orange paper.
Yeah, and we're gonna use this orange paper because Artemis is white and orange. So that's why we're gonna use that.
Yeah.
And then the last thing we're going to need is this bicycle pump. And this bicycle pump is what we're going to use to pump, and see it fly into the sky. Hey, wait, I think we need one more thing. Aiden, what is it? It's in your hand. What is it?
Tennis ball.
Tennis ball. Tennis ball is the last thing that we need. And this is gonna go on top of our rocket. Now, let's go ahead and build it. Kids, make sure you don't do this project alone. Make sure you have an adult with you at all times, okay?
Yeah.
The first step is to tape this orange paper on our bottle. So Aiden, you help me tape the first one. And Landon, you help me tape the second one? Okay, awesome. So we're gonna put it there.
So cool.
Press that down, good job. Right there. Perfect.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Good.
And then it's this one. Okay. Guys, this is fun.
Yeah, good job, big boy. All right, good job.
Wow, that's
Cool, this looks great, guys. Look at this so far.
That looks nice. So smooth.
So smooth, yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah, you wanna touch it?
Yeah. Oh, I can turn.
All right, guys, so next is the foam board. And what we're gonna do is use this to make the flaps. So all you need is a foam board about this size, nothing too big. And we're gonna cut it right down the middle here. And then from there, we're gonna make triangles. And guys, this is the part where we're going to use a utility knife. Kids, do not use a utility knife by yourself. Only let an adult use it. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, Aiden, got that?
Yes.
Cool. All right, let's do it. All right, so we have all 4 of our pieces, and these are gonna go on the side of the rocket. Let's put those on right now.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No. Let's get started.
So we're going to get a little tape to stick on the upper half of the flap. And then the other half of this tape is going to tape to the orange. But pay attention that the triangle goes halfway through the orange there.
I'll put my hand right there,
You the man.
and then you put it where my hand is.
How's that?
Yeah, like that.
I think so. Thanks. All right, guys, and one idea that you can do to make it a little easier to measure how high up these flaps go is that when you put your orange paper on, you can put a mark on it with a pen. That'll be your mark to know how high up to tape this onto the orange. That way, when they're all on, they'll all stand at the exact same height and it'll be leveled out.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna reinforce the tops.
Yeah. So the top of these flaps, we're gonna put a little bit more tape so that it's really sturdy.
It's really sticky tape, so yeah. Oh, this is just love this thing. I just love this thing. Guys, what's in here?
In your arm?
Yeah.
Let me guess, the tennis ball.
Yes. You can see green and we see a circle.
Oh, this thing feels sturdy. Oh! Look at this!
Baby, that almost looks like a hero.
What? Okay, cool. So we have all of our flaps on now. This is amazing. So, man, we're pretty much almost done. I'm excited. Aiden, I think we're gonna need that tennis ball now.
No, we need to do it right. First, we need to put it on the top like this. And then put tape. Then we're already done.
Yes, he is right. So, you wanna do that part?
Yes.
Since you love the tennis ball so much?
Yes.
All right. So
First, we need to put this on here.
You need a nice long piece. That should do it. All right, Aiden, so here you go.
Hey, like this.
Hold it with both hands.
Is this sticky or is this sticky?
That's not sticky. So we need this long piece because we want it to flap down and touch the orange. Aiden, that was amazing. Yes. Great job. So
Now
proud
I
of you.
do the second one.
Yep, Landon, you do the next one, okay, big boy?
And then
Let's go and straighten that. Make sure it's nice and centered, guys.
Okay.
Great job.
Thank you.
Use both hands, Aiden. Use both hands. There you go.
Okay, now we're done. We just need to water.
Now it's time for our cork, and we're going to use this nail to poke the cork. That's going to allow for us to pump it in. So this is gonna let air pressure go into the rocket to make it shoot off. In order for me to get this nail into this cork, Papa is using a hammer. So again, only allow adults to do this part. No kids, I don't want you guys to get hurt. So here we go. Now we're gonna use the other side of the hammer to pull the nail out. Perfect. All right, guys, I think we're done.
Actually, look inside. I think we're almost done. We need the water and the pump.
Oh, we need the water. Ugh. And the pump. So Landon's right, guys. The last thing we have to do is put some water inside of this rocket that we just built. And then we're gonna have to close it and seal it with this cork and pump air into it. So much air pressure is gonna build inside of this rocket here that it's gonna have nowhere else to escape, and it's gonna explode into the sky. You guys ready to see it?
Yes, I'm gonna go like this.
Woo! Let's do it. Now we're gonna pour the water in. So what we're doing with the paper is we're making a funnel to go right into this hole so we don't wet up the rest of the rocket as we pour the water in. So Lena, I need you to hold this here while Papa pours the water in.
Okay.
All right, I like it, I like it. I'm still going. Aiden, I need you to put this cork in.
Okay, wait, this or like this?
The other way. Yep,
Oh yes, baby.
Put that extra pressure on, so it's nice and tight, and it is in there. All right, guys, we're about to launch it. Hey, put on your goggles. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Oh, watch out. We almost got it. Oh, that was sweet. Yeah.
Let's do it again.
That was insane. Whoa.
Let's watch it again.
Man, that rocket was amazing. Aiden, how did you like it?
Whoa. It was so cool and it was just...
Woo, yeah. Landon, what do you think?
Dude, it was like so cool.
Yeah?
Like, it was like this.
Whoa.
And like this.
Oh, that was awesome. So cool.
That was so cool.
Yeah, and in real life, Artemis 1 is going to go to the moon this summer, 2022. Super excited, but what's really cool is that your name can fly around the moon. So let's go ahead and get our boarding passes. Man, that was an amazing project with you guys. Landon, what do you want to tell your friends?
Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, everyone. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
What's up, everyone? Behind the camera was me, Mama,
So me, Mama.
and Bob Ross. It's time for Blast Off!
Actually, this is what I'm wearing today. With the science lab coat. Let's do this, baby.